Hi and welcome to session 4. Have you noticed that negative thoughts are very addictive, very compelling? It's hard not to get swept away by them. That's because our brains have evolved over hundreds of thousands of years to be sensitive to threat, to take any perception of danger very seriously. Suppressing negative thoughts do not work because the brain will continue to feel threat, and the effort to suppress thoughts will only increase anxiety and stress. So the first step towards managing negative thoughts is to observe how they come and go, and to notice what emotions they cause. So in today's session, you'll notice thoughts and also notice your response to the thoughts. If you have a positive response, you'll label the thought positive. Negative response, label the thought negative. And if there's no response, label the thought neutral. If you're sitting down comfortably, let's begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Letting go of tightness and tension with each out breath. Allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently closing your eyes and experiencing the contact between body and chair. Experiencing the full weight of the body and allowing yourself to sink deeper into the chair. Mentally scanning your body. Experience the sensations from your whole body. Notice and experience your feelings, your emotions right now. Just letting go of words, going beyond description, experiencing the feelings directly. What does it actually feel like? Moving your attention now to the breath, to the rising and falling of the abdomen, bringing your mind completely to the breath. Now allow yourself to observe thoughts. Also notice the emotional response to the thoughts. If it's positive, label the thought positive. If the response is negative, label the thought negative. And if there's no response, label it neutral. Keep checking in on the mind. If the mind has drifted away, anchor your attention around the breath for a few moments, and then observe the thoughts again. Keep checking in on the mind. If the mind has drifted away, anchor your attention around the breath for a few moments, and then observe the thoughts again. moving your attention back to the contact between body and chair. Noticing any light shining through the eyes. Mentally visualizing the space around you. And slowly and gently open your eyes. I hope you were able to notice the emotional response to your thoughts. The first step towards managing your thoughts and your mind is to be very clear and very aware of how your mind creates your reality. So do continue these sessions and your MindFit classes as you learn how to transform negative thinking into balanced thinking so that you can beat the stress and be relaxed, peaceful, and happy. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 5.